Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Alan Berry. For those that may not have seen me, I'm the President of the Railway Enthusiast Society and Chairman of the Glenbrook Vintage Railway. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this unveiling occasion as it marks the quantum step forward in the history of the GBR and its parent body.
We're here this morning to unveil the new DBR, 4 running. She's just about certified for the main line. So we're going to today give you the opportunity of riding behind her.
Little did I imagine just over 2 years ago we'd be successfully tendering for 2 DBR locomotives and becoming the proud owners of them, in fact becoming the first heritage rail group to acquire Mark II mainline diesel locomotives.
And certainly Tim and his team, and they're over there, some of them. Now, we owe an enormous debt of gratitude to them for getting things going, because the growth of everything, the expansion that's been occurring over the last year and a half since Tim's been on board has been enormous and fantastic.
Okay, sweet. I'm dropping around.
I'd like to now ask Tim and the team to actually unveil and bring forward DBR 1254 out into the daylight for the first time in its completed resplendor.
So for us, it was a first insofar as a DBR class, but also it's the first major diesel electric locomotive restoration we'd ever done here at Glenbrook. So our expertise is steam locomotives. We've done our own steam locomotives up. We've restored steam locomotives for various other heritage societies throughout New Zealand. We've never ever done a full diesel electric loco overhaul. A fantastic team of volunteers achieved something so perfect as this rolling out the door today.
Right, well, there she is in all of her finery. An absolutely splendid looking machine, and one that I'm sure will help and keep the GVR and the RES running both on Glenbrook and on the national network for many years to come.
The arse.